Hi everybody, I have these protein testing swabs here and I'm going to be testing for the presence of protein, which is in urine, on my toilet here. And then I'm going to clean it with my Norwex Enviro cloth, which is just wet with water, and then I'm going to test with my other swab, okay? So I'm going to start off with this swab here. I'm going to lift this, and I'm going to take my swab and just swab all around the surface of my toilet here and inside the rim. And pop it in here. Now, if the liquid, when I break this seal here, oh my gosh, that was instantly purple. I was gonna say if it turns green, it's clean. If it's gray, pink, or purple, it's contaminated. Clearly, it is time to clean this toilet. So I will go ahead and take my Enviro cloth from Norwex. Again, it's just damp with water. I've already gotten it damp. I prefer to use it folded in quarters, and that way I always have a clean side that I can flip to, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and simply wipe down my toilet, and I use this for the entire exterior of the toilet. I don't stick my hand in the bowl. I do use a toilet brush for that, which Norwex has an amazing toilet brush as well, but I use the Enviro cloth just for the whole exterior. And I'm gonna get the edges and down here at the bottom too, just because while I'm at it, I may as well clean the whole toilet, right? So I'll clean that up, not using any sprays or any harsh chemicals. Wipe down all the parts. And up here too, because I've got a little boy. So sometimes it shows up everywhere. So here's my used swab again. Here's my unused one. As you can see, the liquid is still at the top. So now I'm gonna go ahead and swab that same area that I had done a minute ago on the top there and inside this rim here. And test to make sure that our swab stays green. Again, green means clean. Gray, pink, or purple means that it's been contaminated. So we'll crack the seal here, and you can see that it's green. Isn't that awesome? Look at the difference, you guys. Norwex is amazing. It removes up to 99% of bacteria from your surfaces with just a cloth and water.